Welcome guys, we are Roberto and Magdalena.
And in this video, we are going to show you the 5 most common mistakes when doing a body wave in bachata.
Yes guys, make sure to not be doing one of these moves, okay? Let's go. Alright guys, so the first mistake that we have is stopping the movement down. This means not going into the pendulum. Let's show it. So when we're doing a body wave, what we want is to continue here and then do a pendulum with our hips and go again a little bit up. And the problem and the mistake that we see a lot is that you do the body wave super nice, but then you stop here. You stop here. This means you're stopping the energy, you're stopping the momentum, and then at the moment that you want to push you again, it's super uncomfortable. So this is why we do this pendulum motion where we go a little bit up to get the energy again so that we can again go down and then go up. Let's show it from this point of view. If we are here, we go. We have to go in our pendulum up so that we can either again go into here and basic, or just so that you can go from here into the reverse body wave and again down and up, okay?
Okay, the second mistake is that you start in the knee and push yourself up from there, okay? This is wrong. We start and push from the leg that is behind. So I push up and I land up. I don't go into the knee and then push up. This looks a little bit like a worm, okay? So we push from the back leg and go up. And from here we continue with our body wave. Push and don't go down and up. Not like this,
yes.
Okay?
So this third mistake has to do a lot with the pendulum. So now you are managing your pendulum, like the mistake number 1. You are no longer doing that. But now what you start doing is that you go here, super nice, you go into your pendulum and then your upper body whoop, shifts to the front. Guys, make sure that your upper body at the end doesn't move at all. This means that we are here, we push. Here, the end position of the upper body, it doesn't move again, it just stays there. This means that when we do our hip pendulum, our body stays straight. So make sure to avoid this mistake. Here, and going here. Let's do it from this point of view, super fast. The mistake, don't do this mistake. Here, and your body to the front, okay? Stay with the body straight. Wave, pendulum, and stay straight. Don't do that, guys, okay? So, guys, if you're liking the video so far and you want to become a very good Bachata Sensual dancer, you have to check out our Bachata Sensual online programs. It's the link down below. And guys, in our online programs, we go in a lot of detail. We explain everything step by step, all of the fundamental figures and techniques that you need to take your Bachata Sensual to the next level. So make sure to check out the link in the description, guys. But now, let's continue with the video.
Okay, the fourth mistake is not to use your core, okay? This would look like this. So you go up and now you just sit down, okay? So you have the beginning of the body wave and you have the end of the body wave, but you did not connect it, okay? So you have to use your core to connect the whole movement. This should look like this. You go up, now you shift your weight in this open position, and from here you roll down everything of your spine until you're done, okay? Let's do it from this point of view. We go the correct version. Up, we shift the weight open, and now you roll down everything once at a time.
Yes, so don't do it like this, without closing and using your belly and your spine. Only opening and sitting. Make sure to roll the whole body. And the last mistake of the day, guys, is not going diagonally up, but still starting the movement going down. This happens like this is the mistake, so you start really going here down, and then you go up. This has a lot to do as well with the same thing of the first putting the weight, going looking down, and then going up. So make sure that whenever you're doing your body wave, you're thinking of a point diagonally up. So you want to stretch the movement as much as possible. And a super easy way to correct it, guys, is don't look down. We have a lot of our students at the beginning when they're learning it, they're always looking down like this. So of course they're always thinking, oh, that I need to go there. So they go like this, and they are always looking down. So if you're already looking up, you know it's easier to understand, oh, this is where I'm going. So we are here, and we just go diagonally there, and then diagonally back, and diagonally up. And from this other point of view, if we are here, don't do this. Don't go down and then up, but go up from the beginning. We go up and down, and up and down, and that's it. So guys, that's it for today. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a like. Let us know which move was your favorite, and also make sure to check out our online programs, the first link in the description. See you next time.